Hello everyone. In today's episode of What's This, we're going to be talking about the Presto tool, or Presto pliers, Presto pinch. Just mostly people talk about the Presto. And the Presto is a tool to remove watch hands. Well, at least this model is. There's a few different Prestos, but yes, this is the most used one. I think it's the Presto number 3, the one with the black handle. And what it basically does is this kind clips behind the pliers, and then you push behind the watch hand, you push, and with those plastic pieces, you basically pull it all away from the dial, and you have removed the watch hands. That's the problem. You can also use it for sometimes removing other parts. So yeah, let's demonstrate that real quickly. I have here this tiny Gucci watch. Now, when you're working with dials, definitely black dials, it's always best to use one of these. This is like a protective piece of paper, and because it has the slit in there, it's pretty easy to slide it under. And then you're pretty certain you don't really leave marks behind. Oh, I want more than just a piece of paper to move. Well, let's just first put it in the middle of the frame and slide a piece of paper under. So now we can slide it under, and just with one click we have the watch hands. So that's the main use of the Presto tool. However, there are different Prestos too. For example, there's one that's called the No Touch, which basically is the Presto tool without the plastic things here and without those cams. However, there's a little secret. If you remove those, like this, and just push like this, and then pull yourself, you basically have the No Touch Presto. So you don't have to buy that one. However, there's one Presto, and just one push and it's back to normal again. There's one Presto that you should probably need if you're a watchmaker. And that is this one, the blue one. And if I zoom in on the top, you can see that it has 3 jaws. And it is specifically made to remove a gear on the older style chronograph watches. Because you have this gear here that needs to be pulled off. This gear is basically what's the connection in between the normal movement and the chronograph parts of your watch, and this needs to be pulled off. But as you can see, that is a gear with 5 spokes. So this tool is specifically made to remove 5-spoke gears. How does it do that? Well, there's 3 hooks and there's 3 pushers. So you go, and I will show this on the microscope, but what you basically do is you go with the side that has 2 hooks, you go around the spoke, and then with this side that only has 1, you go in between 2 spokes, and then you push, whoop, and the gear comes off. So let's show that on a microscope. So see that? So here we have the beautiful chronograph movement under the microscope. It's always like, yeah, they really knew how to make them look pretty back then. But yeah, let's get onto the Presto. So let's first show the Presto under the microscope itself. you can see the 3 hooks and the 3 pushers. So now, don't know if I can, well, let's at least try. Hand's probably going to be in the way, but so let's do it at an angle. So yeah, you can see I'm around one in between the other, and now just a simple push, and it's off. Now I'm going to hold it and then show it like this. That's going to give you a better idea. So yeah, here you can see how like the hooks are and the pushers are. So basically it would have been like this, and then boop. So yeah, that's how the special like 5-spoke wheel remover. There's also a like one with for like not 5 but like 4 spokes. However, there are a lot of ways you can remove those. But just for the 5-spoke ones, you need one of those. So, that was the video about Presto tools. Well, like I said, mostly commonly referred to as a Presto. Very versatile. Definitely the one I showed first, the one with the black handle. Like almost every watch you work on, you probably need a Presto tool. There are other ways to remove watch hands too. Might do another watch this on about those, but yeah, that's it for now. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye bye. See you in the next one.